Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make big egg sandwiches. I've already shared with you the basic egg sandwiches and also the 5-minute egg sandwiches. I know it's going to be a similar one, but in a different presentation. It is awesome. It's my favorite quite recently. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm going to use an egg timer from Daiso. My mom bought it for me and it was pretty convenient. You boil from water, I'm gonna stop at medium. How to boil without the egg timer, I have a video already on my channel, so please check it out. It was just perfect. You need 3 half-cut boiled eggs and 4 quarter-cut boiled eggs. Then chop or mash with fork the rest. Season the cut boiled eggs with salt. Then season the chopped eggs with mayonnaise, sugar, and salt and pepper. Put half of the egg mayonnaise on a slice of bread. Place the cut boiled eggs. Then place the egg mayonnaise and a slice of bread. Tightly wrap with parchment paper. Leave for a while to set. Cut in half right before you serve. It's gonna set nicely if you leave for a while. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
$1分で授業終わるんだけど、ちょっと待っててもらおうかなって感じで。すごいです。いただきます。自分で作るとお店で作るよりすごく美味しいです。作ってみてください。すごく簡単です。
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.